Facebook app is one of the most popular social media platforms with over 2.7 billion monthly active users. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to turn on professional mode on the Facebook app, which can enhance your professional experience on the platform. To turn on professional mode, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and go to your profile. To do this, simply tap to your profile picture right here. On your profile page, look for the three dots icon next to Edit Profile button. Tap on it to access the menu. From the menu options, look for Professional Mode. Tap on it to turn on professional mode. You need to confirm to turn on professional mode by tap on Turn On at the bottom of your screen. Congratulations, you have successfully turned on professional mode on the Facebook app. This feature will help you optimize your professional experience by providing more relevant content and connections in your field.